Hello, this video is going to show you how to record any parent contacts. Parent contact is you making a phone call or an email, some sort of contact that you have with the parent. And this is a way that we keep track. It is also connected to all of your team points. Every parent contact is normally worth 20 points, but because it is twice as difficult to make contacts this year as it was last year, they're all worth 40 points. So anytime you make parent contact, 40 points for your team. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So down here on the side, you will see all of the students' names. You will see that every single student is listed here alphabetically. You'll notice that we have included cell phone numbers of the very first contact. And you will also notice that we have included the email of the first contact and also the first and last name and the relationship. So we have that right there. What'll work is that anytime you make a contact with a student, you'll walk over here and you'll notice that all of the staff names are listed. And so if Mr. Barajas goes ahead and makes a contact, you'll notice right here a 1 just appeared. You'll also notice that a 1 just appeared right here. And then let's say that Ms. Burns also contacted this same student. You'll notice that she's part of the Blue Shanties team, so that recorded right there. And you'll notice that student also has a number 2. There's a couple different ways. As you go through this, I mean, it works really for anybody. So there's another person for the cheers team. Let's see here. Let's go Ms. Burton. You see one for the Cyber Turtles. And it's continuing to collect all of the numbers. We've got these all connected in 2 different ways. One of them is right here. This is a running total of all of the students. And so as you were going through, you will notice that a couple students did have some contacts last week. And so that's already being recorded. So Lily Star Delgadillo had a contact that's already being listed there. We also have team totals here, and these are connected to your points, so we keep track of all of your points that way. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is when you come up here, you'll notice down here at the bottom, I have last week's date, so you can go back on and check out last week's, and you can also go on to this week. I usually fill those up each and every week, and so you can go back and add any, if there's any contacts that you want to record from previous weeks, they're all listed on there. So those are that is how you record your contacts.